to the start of the 2024-2025 season. I've been on 2 or 3 or 4 hunts now, but video quality has been kind of low. But today, had a little cold front come through, 10 to 15 mile an hour winds all day. Just got the decoy set up. I just paddled back to the spot, probably jumped up 70 Gadwall mallards and teal. So I got a mallard, Gadwall, and some green ones out today. There's a ton of wedges. I should have brought my wicked decoys, but just got this new Aviadex power spinner decoy, so try and put her in here and see how she works. Hopefully the wind doesn't knock it into the water. So yeah, there's a lot of ducks flying. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it for the morning hunt, but I'm quite alright with that because I was not planning to come here for the morning hunt. I think there's a lot more ducks over in this area. But you can kind of see my kayak in there. I did not bring my kayak blind today, unfortunately, so I'm trying to cover it with cattails the best that I can. Hopefully it works, so stay tuned. Should be a good one, but yeah, super windy out on the main lake. So this little pocket back here is a little protected, so hopefully a couple come in, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Well guys, I just got fully set up. Have the decoys out there. I had to rearrange the kayak because I had it sideways and it was just way too out in the open and not hidden enough, so I packed it in these cattails, cut down a bunch, put it over me. Still not the best hidden, but for not having a blind, it's the best that we're gonna do for now. But literally just got back in here, sit back, and then right away I had a pintail drake just come right in and just hovered right over the decoy. So when I pulled up to pull the trigger, my gun clicked. I just got this new Sorex, and it's got a thing where if it's like that, it ain't gonna shoot, it will just click. So you have to make sure it slams all the way shut. So as I was moving my gun, I kind of heard it open, so it wasn't shut all the way. So that pintail drake got out of there. So, but that's a good sign. Been fully set up for about 2 minutes and already had a pintail drake come in perfectly. So he didn't see me, that's for sure. So hopefully we can get a couple more in. So again, I just have mallards out here, have a little pocket of teal and Gadwall, have that new teal mojo. But yeah, the wind's got quite a few ducks still flying, so hopefully I'm optimistic. I'm hoping for at least 3, 4, 5, maybe a limit. I don't know, we'll see. So stay tuned, I'm excited. Bye-bye duckies. Well, just had 4 Here's a little bird. Just had 4 Gadwall come in. They landed on the further side though. They were, I could have definitely hit one, but they were a little far. But yeah, I just whiffed 3 times. So, but nice. Now we have that 1 pintail come in, and then 4 Gadwall like 2 minutes after that. So it's looking pretty good. Hopefully the next ones can decoy a little closer for me. Go guys, I was just sitting there, 3 just dumped in out of nowhere, and I know I didn't get it on film, but gorgeous Gadwall drake. I think that's, probably can't hear me because of the wind, but I think that's my first ever Gadwall drake. just laying there dead, like just a couple feet in. So first duck on the board. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous Gadwall. That's awesome. All right, well, we've been set up for probably 30 minutes now. Just had 3 Gadwall come in. As I was saying, I know I didn't get it on film, but that is a pretty Gadwall. My first Gadwall Drake. I mean, man, this is gorgeous. These are pretty birds. But yeah, they came right in again. They tried to land on the other side over there, so a little bit further of a shot, but smoked them on the, whiffed my first 2 and smoked them on the 3rd. So I was able to go over there and pick them up. But yeah, pretty bird. There's a, just had, I think they were mallards, just had 2 mallards fly over me as I was getting back into the kayak. So there's still birds moving. This wind hasn't moved up. The wind's supposed to stay consistent for another hour or 2. So hopefully it keeps them moving, because this this decoy action has been awesome. So hopefully it'll keep going well for us. Oh man, out of breath again. But I just had a single come in, got out without even me looking at him. I'm like, dang. And then 2 came in, hurried to grab my gun. They were up, and then the single flew right in, right behind them. Looks like another Gadwall. I probably should have waited, because after I shot this, there was like a group of 20, and then 10, and then 2. There were a lot of ducks that came into the pool right when these guys came in. Woo. Another Drake Gadwall. Cool. No jewelry. Oh. Sorry, I'm out of breath. That was quite the walk, though. I shot him, and then the wind kept drifting him back here, but there's the spread up there. And they are eating it up, so all right, I'm gonna walk back to the blind. I told myself I'm not walking again. So I just got in the kayak. Man, I'm like a 3rd shot wonder today. I think the last 2 or 3 I got have been on my 3rd shot. Another Gadwall. Man, there's a ton of Gadwalls and widgeon over here. I'm surprised. Well, I know I've had widgeon come in, but I wasn't able to shoot at them. Another Drake. That makes 3 Drake Gadwalls now. That'd be cool to get all Gadwall. I've never done that before. So, right on. 3 Gadwalls. Definitely a lot of more missed opportunities, but hopefully they keep coming in. But man, I'm doing the kayak from now on. That was a game changer. So, time to paddle back over there. Well, guys, we're at 3 Gadwall now. I'm gonna do the kayak retrieve from now on. That last one was a game changer, just getting the kayak unstuck out of the weeds. But just got back in the kayak, been back for 5 minutes. I was too distracted by my phone. Had 4 Gadwall come right in. They got out before I even had a chance to get the gun. Then I was like, oh man, that sucks. Leaned back, and then 2 widgeon came right in. And then they got out before I had the, by the time I pulled the gun up, they were a little too far. They just catch the wind and they just go out. So I'm sure you'll see some of the GoPro footage I started up as they're flying away. So hopefully I'll stop looking at my phone so much. But it's kind of fun because I have a window right here and they keep coming from the hard left. I can't see anything. I have no idea when ducks are coming in. So it is a surprise for me. I cannot see them until they are directly in front of me right here. So I have no idea when I have ducks working. I have no idea when they're coming in. I think that's why they're coming in so well, and that's why I'm getting away with my low quality blinds so well, is because they're coming in so low by the cattails that they can't see me until they get even with me, and then they can get up and get out of there. But that's why I'm having so many missed opportunities, is because I'm not paying attention enough, so when they fly right in front of my face, I can't even get on them in time, because they get right here, I'm like, oh, there they are, then they just go vroom, then they carry out in the wind. So hopefully I can be more attentive here, because heck, 3 Gadwall. I've been here for like an hour. It's let's check the time. It's only 2 in the afternoon, and shooting light goes to like 6:30 or a little bit later, but so I still got quite a while to shoot. So if they keep flying this way, should be able to scratch out a limit here, so stay with us. That sucked. That was bad. The last 3 ducks that have come in, they landed on the very far side over there, and I was able to hit them on my 3rd shot like the last 2 or 3 times. I just decoyed a group of 5 Gadwall right in my decoys. They banked around that corner and came in perfectly, and I just whiffed 3 times. So I can hit the far shots today. But when they're right in front of my lap, I guess I get nervous and I miss. That was bad. That was real bad. That was cool to watch them work in, though. Man, wow. Hope some more can do that, because good grief. That was embarrassing. Well, we'll see what happens next. Oh, got him. Pintail just came right in. Looks like it. Pretty little guy. There's one for pintail for the day. I had a group come work me, another group come work me, and then as I was like looking behind me trying to call another group, this one just drops right in. I missed my first shot, kind of nicked him the second shot, got him my 3rd shot, so keeping the 3-shot trend alive today. Alright, the birds are still flying good. It's so weird, I don't know what causes it, but like it'll be dead for 20-30 minutes, and then out of nowhere it'll be just group after group after group for like 5 to 10 minutes, and it will just die down again. Like I don't know if it's people like jumping them up, or if they just decide they want to fly, or if the wind picks up other locations so they need to fly. But here's the pile so far. Got our Gadwall drakes, and then our pintail. Now we got to be careful not to shoot another one. So we got 4 so far, 3 more till our limit. So probably 1 more duck, and I'm gonna have to find a new area of cattails to push the kayak in, because I have worn this spot out and they're gonna start seeing me. So we'll see what the next group does and see if I need to change yet or if I can get away with it for now. So we shall see. Another Gadwall. Man, I hope the GoPro got that one. That was cool. 3 came out of right in front of me out of nowhere. Had barely enough time to turn the GoPro on, and I shot this one. Winged it. It kind of fell in slow motion in the wind right in front of me, and I was able to get a follow-up shot. It's so cool. I've only ever run like mountain Orange, teal, widget. This is my first year running Gadwall decoys. I only brought 4 of them, but the last, like every group of Gadwall that has come in, they have decoyed right to the Gadwall decoys. Another pretty drake. Oh, that's a pretty one. About the Gadwall decoys because the Gadwall, I love them. They're the cheapest ones. They're just the Higdon brand. But hey, for 60 bucks, they're working. So we'll take it. And guys, I'm surprised they're coming in as well as they are. I know Gadwalls are kind of the dumbest duck. If it was mallards, it'd be different. That's my hide. It's terrible. Literally just sitting on a bright tan kayak. They literally keep coming in right in front of me. But that is bird number 5, 4 Gadwall drakes and 1 pintail drake. So we'll come add him to the pile. It's funny how I go from never shooting a Gadwall drake to now I have 4. That's kind of funny. So, time to crack open the Dr. Pepper and get our last 2 birds. I have a feeling we'll be out of here in probably like an hour. So, we'll see what happens. Guys, I didn't get it on video, but bird number 6 made me work for her. Got her my second shot, except she crippled and went down in this tall weeds. Thankfully, normally you shoot a bird in here and you lose them every time if you don't have a dog, but thankfully she was like right there in an open spot, thank goodness. So, able to get her. 1 more bird for our limit. I had 2 Gadwalls come right into the decoys while I was looking for her. I got it on GoPro, so could have had one of those, but got this one, so now we can go just sit back, relax, and enjoy waiting for our last duck. So we'll see what it is. My money's on another Gadwall. All right, guys, just got back from retrieving that 6th duck. 4 Gadwall drakes, 1 Gadwall hen, and 1 pintail drake. Did I say that right? I think so. So we got 1 more bird till our limit. Had a whole bunch try and dump in here on us while we were trying to paddle back across. But I have a feeling in like the next 5 or 10 minutes they'll come in and we will have our limit. But yeah, again, here's our little blind setup. But guys, this year I just bought the new Weatherby Sorex, and I am freaking abusing this thing today. I've been throwing it around, got mud all over it. This thing is shooting like, here comes right here. Let's see if they want to come in. Hold on. Well, anyways, as I was saying before, we were rudely interrupted by those ducks that didn't want to come in. The new Weatherby Sorex is freaking sweet. Last year I shot the Beretta A400 Extreme, which I still have. And this gun, it's like almost a whole pound lighter. Got a narrower grip, oversized charging handle and everything. Oh, I thought that bird was the duck. But yeah, I have not had a single jam or issue yet, except that first click at shooting light when it wasn't pulled forward all the way. But other than that, that's about it. But other than that, guys, Salt Creek Calls, go check them out. Sponsor of today's video. Here comes a duck right here. And we'll see if he comes back around. I could have probably shot him, but I was too focused and having so much fun telling you about Salt Creek Calls to shoot him. Well, maybe we can use the call to try and get him back. But they sound good, they work good. and they are local here in Utah. So go support them. Veteran owned. Nothing bad to say about them. Go check them out. There's our limit. Yes, let's go. Yeah, I have no idea what happened. Finished up our limit, shot that last one, splatted right over here. I thought deader than a doornail, wasn't even twitching. Had my eye on it for a while, took my eye off of it for like 15 seconds, and started paddling over here. I'm like, where'd it go? I've been over here looking for 15 or 20 minutes. I cannot find it anywhere. Literally just plopped right on the edge right here, belly up. So I have no idea what happened. I don't know if it regained life and booked it into the cattails where I've been looking this whole time, or if it flew away, or if a hawk came and got it and I wasn't looking. I have no idea. Thing has disappeared. So I'm probably gonna go pack up decoys real quick and then come back over and try one more time, see if I can't find it. But that is frustrating. I have no idea where that thing went. Unbelievable. Alright guys, just got all packed up, ready to leave. Just got all the decoys piled back here in the back of the kayak. Got all our birds, dive bomb bag, gun, Dr. Pepper. We're gonna go paddle out. Man guys, still driving me crazy, cannot find that duck. I'm gonna go back over there, try one more time to try and find it, and if not, I gotta get out of here. So, hate losing birds, but again, no idea where it could have gone. So, I'll go give it a quick try and we'll see if we can find it.